Hi everybody, welcome to Brandon on Tech. Today we're going to do a really quick unboxing of the Sony ZV-1 M2 camera. Just got this. I'm going to be using this for my videos going forward, and I thought I'd do a really quick unboxing for you to show you what it looks like. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe if you found it useful, and let's get started. Okay, here it is, the Sony ZV-1 M2. Gonna do an unboxing of this for you really quick, show you what comes in the package and what all is inside here. So let's open it up and take a look. Open up the box. We've got your manuals here. Take these out. Instruction guide, lots of instruction guides as well, so those are all in here. And coming in here, let's see, in this package, this is the dead cat, I believe. Yep. So that goes on top for the mic. And then we've got the unit itself. So here's the camera. Really compact, nice screen there. So there's the camera. And then I believe we have just the battery. That's pretty much it. So very minimal in the box. But this is everything that's in here. Gonna charge this up and check it out. Pretty excited about it. Camera door, card slot, and that's it. There's lots of reviews out there on this camera. It's new to me, so I'm excited to kind of use it and check it out. I will be doing my videos with this camera. Instead of the GoPro that I was using before. So I'm pretty excited about that, to bring you some higher quality videos to you. But that's it. That's the Sony camera. The new one was out in May, I believe. And that's what it looks like.